Greetings viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Edivision TV. I'm your host Eddie Guna, and this is a channel where we look at sports differently. Now, it's the eve or coming up to the eve of the Gold Cup 2023. You know, a lot of teams are prepping, but on the other side of things, there are match officials, referees that are going through the rigors, you know, getting ready as well. You know, a lot of gym work, a lot of running, a lot of workshops, you know, a lot of training, preps for these match officials. And Jamaica has a few of these referees that will be representing the country at this year's Gold Cup. As you can see, these are the match official categories. There are 13 referees, support referees 6, assistant refs 26 of those, video assistant referees there are 15, and instructors 6. We're happy to say that 2 Jamaicans have made the referees list. You know, Danian Parchment, congrats, and O'Shea Nation. So these are 2 Jamaicans that will be lead referees at this year's Gold Cup. So as you can see, they sit alongside, you know, Mexican referees from the US, you know, Guatemala, Honduras, etc. For support referees, we have no Jamaicans there, but assistant referees, we have 2, Jacet Kerr Williams and Ojay Duhaney. So big up to those 2, you know, congrats for making the team. So as it relates to video assistant referees, there are 15 of them. No Jamaicans are on that list, and that's not a surprise. We don't utilize the VAR locally, and so we would expect any of our referees to make this list. You know, and this is something that we should look at for our local league, for the JPL going forward. So Mr. Chris Williams, try and implement VAR, you know, alongside the JFF. It's something that we can look at. We want a better product, so obviously we want the referees to have some help, you know, in terms of getting the calls right and, you know, having a fair game being played, you know, not a lot of mistakes. So no VAR referees. As it relates to instructors, the big man, the legend, as it relates to Jamaican referees, Peter Prendergast is an instructor, you know, a technical instructor. So that's great for Jamaica as usual. Great for Peter Prendergast, Prende. So he's there. So there you have it, fans. The 2023 Gold Cup match official list with 5 Jamaicans on that list. So let me know what you think. You know, only 5 Jamaicans, is that number good, or where we need to improve on that number going forward? I think that's decent enough to have 5 representatives. You know, obviously it could be more, but we're a growing nation, and hopefully we'll have more training and more goalkeepers with that ability to, you know, to ref at major tournaments. So thanks for watching. I'm Eddie Guna. Like, share, and subscribe.
This is Owen Hill from PFJL, CEO of Professional Football Jamaica Limited, home of the Jamaica Premier League, the Gold Cup, and the El Clasicos. You're watching Edivision. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. The baddest thing around town.